Hari Prasad here to give you a lecture on food for diabetics. What type of food people suffering from diabetes how to eat. DM. DM means diabetes mellitus. Message. Exercise and food principles are part of diabetes treatment. Exercise and food are the part of diabetes treatment. That is why what food you are taking, what exercise you are taking, please you yourself will know. Skimmed milk, whole wheat, fish, sprouts, raw vegetables, salads, greeny leafy vegetables, apple, guava, pomegranate, orange, sweet lime, papaya, watermelon, jamun, seeds, eat every day. Raw onion, eat every day. Garlic, eat every day. Flax seeds, bitter gourd, high fiber foods, oatmeal, all leafy vegetables, brinjal, tomato, lady fingers. Drink plenty of water every day. Rich gourd, bottle gourd, tomato juice, jujube fruit, which is called regu in Telugu, ivy gourd, drumsticks, cauliflower, cabbage, beans, light buttermilk, white part in egg, lemon juice. These are the foods to be eaten by the patients suffering from diabetes. These are the foods to avoid by diabetics. The diabetes patients, please avoid the food I am telling now. Don't eat sugar, jam, jellies, cakes, soft drinks don't drink, pastries, sweets, bakery products, bananas, mangoes, grapes, sitafal, sapota, roots, don't eat, don't drink. Tubers, potato, yam, beetroot, tobacco, ghee, whole milk, cheese, dates, raisins, cashew nuts, pista, peanuts, red meat. Don't eat egg yolk, prawns, white flour, maida, jaggery, glucose and sugar, honey, almonds, badam, coconut water, fried fries, sweet potato, butter, cream, deep fried snacks. Don't eat, don't drink. Before closing the lecture, if you follow this diet plan, you will be alright in life. Diabetics. The patients suffering from DM, diabetes mellitus, means diabetes. Don't drink, eat the foods I have given. Eat only the foods I have stated earlier, so that diabetes won't do any harm to you. So, food control, eat food that is required for diabetes, and the physical exercise, walking, physical exercise, walking and all to do, so that diabetes can't prick your hair. Before closing the lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.